Hi everyone, so this is a little demo of the C64 Ultimate with a little test. I've just got collision working, just testing wall collision and sprite collision, as well as flipping direction and flipping the sprite data on the fly. Everything's wired up to work through the network. So you go here and you want to enable web remote control service, and then C64 Dev Machine will just load up out of the box. So we've got this new button here, C64 Ultimate, run on Ultimate. If you've put in the wrong IP or you want to connect it to a new IP, just do this reset C64U IP, and then as soon as you do run on Ultimate, it's going to ask you for the IP. To find that, come out here, go down to your wired or Wi-Fi. For me it's this one. So I'm going to put in my IP 192.168. Test and save. It does a little ping test, but otherwise it will run right away. So that's all good. Just to prove that that's working, I'm just going to change something. Let's see, let's change the border from going red. Let's just make that to go 0E, that's light blue, and then just click that again. So you see it's going light blue now. We can even change the sprite, so I'll go ahead and just do something crazy like add a smile to it, and do a few more bits like that, and this little guy, it's going to give him some legs and a tail, and let's change the colour. Why not? Let's just change them to like brown. Come out of that. You don't have to do anything, just run on Ultimate and off it goes, and there you go. I've put in a little volume test, so it's just turning the volume off and on between switching the border when it hits this enemy. So it's just turning the volume on and off when it hits this little guy. There's a few things being done with the collision macros. So now you've got this whole probe set up for sprites, so it's basically going to sample from an offset position of the sprite. Here it's based on the center of it when it hits the tiles, and that's what basically he's hitting a wall there. So this is one wall type and another. So we've got this map data, and then here you can set your tile types by pressing space, 8 tile types, or right clicking. Okay, so you can set your tiles that way, and you can set a whole range of them. So you get 8 different types of surfaces essentially that you populate here, which calls your GSRs to do things. You also have your standard collision for sprite to sprite, which is what's happening here. Sprite 0 is colliding with sprite 1, and then that says hit enemy, and that's what happens here. And just to show you that doing something different, let's change this to yellow. Hit build on run on Ultimate. And there you go, we get yellow when we hit the sprite. So I'm really happy someone suggested to do this. A couple of people suggested to do it, and it wasn't that difficult. Luckily Game Maker does have functionality to send data through an IP, and after a while of tinkering it just sort of worked, so I'm quite happy with it, and that's the setup for it. So thanks for watching, welcome to the C64 Ultimate, and Dev Machine is pretty ready to go soon. Not much more to do. There's always something to do, you know me, but let's keep going with it. I think it's really good now that the collision's working, and there's just a few other small things I want to add now. It's good stuff. Thanks for watching. Bye.